Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a full face New Year's holiday look for you guys, and I thought no better palette than the winner of 2018. We were definitely going to pull this bad boy out. This is the Bronze Seduction palette from Pat McGrath, and I also paired it with one of the flash crowns from Linda Hallberg. I'm doing, again, a full-on face, so if you want to see how I created this look, just keep watching. For my foundation today, I am using the Laura Mercier Flawless Lumiere Radiance Perfecting Foundation in the shade 2-in-1 Cashew. I'm putting one layer of this all over the skin using my Sonia Kashuk big ol' sponge. And then for my concealer, I wanted something just a little bit extra, so I went in with my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Away Liquid Concealer, and I'm using the shade number 4. I love this concealer when I want to be just a little bit more glam. And then to blend that out, I'm going to go in with one of my smaller Sonia Kashuk sponges. This comes in like one of those packs, I think like a pack of 5 different sponges. And I'm just blending that out. And I'm going to use that same sponge with my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking Powder in the shade Pound Cake. And I'm going to bake underneath my eyes. I'm going to bake my nose and my chin. Now to set the rest of my face, I'm using a Sonia Kashuk large powder brush and the La Mer pressed powder in translucent. After I get everything nice and set, I'm going to take my Wayne Goss number 5 brush and I'm going to buff away the bake underneath my eyes and on my nose. For my bronzer, I'm going in with one of my favorites, and this is the Jouer Duo in light medium. And I'm using my Royal Langnickel BOM 36 to buff this into the skin. Now for blush, I'm picking up my Infinity Deep Pout from Linda Hallberg Cosmetics, and I'm taking the shade Light Year on a Smith 118, and I am just buffing that into the skin. I absolutely love this color for blush. It is so stinking pretty. And then, of course, we have to highlight It's New Year's. Come on. This is the Gem Glow Trio Compact. I recently used this in one of my Get Ready With Me's, and I fell in love. So I'm applying that with my Linda Hallberg 306. And oh, it just looks so stinking pretty, you guys. And then none of my looks are complete without buffing, so I'm going in with my Sicily powder in 01 Irisy and my MAC 140S brush. First off, I want to mention that I did not set my eye. The liner I am about to use is easier to blend if you do not set it. So I'm applying the Linda Hallberg's Levy Flash Crown all over the lid and then blending the edges with her 303 brush. Slowly, I'm going higher, applying more above the crease, and then I'm going again and I'm blending it out. Basically, slowly creating the shape that I want and creating a V on the outer corner to extend the eye look. Now I'm taking the Levy Flash Crown and I'm applying it to the lower lash line all over as well as the inner rim. Then I'm going to blend it out with the Linda Hallberg 333 angled brush. And I'm slightly going to extend the outer corner just a little bit more by winging this upward, just the excess that's on the brush. One more time, I'm adding more Levy on top to bring the shade up just a little bit more and blending it out. Now we're going to dip into the Pat McGrath Bronze Seduction palette with an Esom W21 and applying the Astral Lunar Gold to the front portion of the eye and inner corner. And then I kind of twist the brush on its side, and that helps to blend the color up past the crease without being too intense, but adding the shimmer up just a little bit higher. Same color and brush, and I'm applying that on the lower lash line directly under where it was on top. Then I'm taking Bronze Blaze and applying that to the center of the lid. Again, I'm going to use that action of twisting the brush a little bit to blend it upwards into the crease. One more time, same shade on the lower lash line under where it is up top. Royal and Lang Nickel BOM 47 and the shade Guilty Pleasure. I'm applying that to the outer V and winged out area, and then I'm going to take what's left on the brush, no extra product, and blending around the edges of the tops of the shadows. MAC 242 and Skin Show Divine Glow to the brow arch as well as the inner corner to further brighten up the look. And then the very last step before we add on lashes and liner, I'm taking the Royal and Lang Nickel BOM 47 and Extreme Aubergine, that purpley shade, to the very outer corner, tapping it into place and softly blending. Also taking that and I'm kind of connecting it to the lower lash line outer corner. To finish off the eye look, I used Milk Liner Emboss right on my inner rim, and then I used my Tom Ford Eye Defining Pen right up against the lash line just up top, and then mascara at the bottom and Kiss Ritzy Lashes. And then on my lips, I have Dior's Jungle Matte Liquid Lipstick. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and a very, very happy New Year's to all of you. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.